Hello, Cannin users. Welcome back to another technical analysis session. This week we're going to dive into one of the classics, one of the indicators everyone needs to understand in order to make really easy and fast buy-sell decisions. And we're going to do this with one of the bigger management companies in the cannabis space, both growing and extracting, a little bit of R&D as well. This is MJardin. So let's click over to the pricing chart now. So you'll see we're looking at MJARF, which is the OTC ticker here in the United States. And MJardin, let's just scroll back, recently went public and since then has come crashing down. So the similar trend of a lot of cannabis companies who went public on that big second wave when the whole industry was kind of just coming down. But you can see we're looking at the MACD here on the bottom half. And I'm just going to expand that a little bit because it's such an important one. So moving average, convergence, divergence. We're going to try and find those divergent periods when there's an opportunity between price and momentum to take advantage of it. And so what we're looking at is a 12 period, that's the fast period, and a 26 period, that's the slow period. And what we want is we want to see when this slow period is going to cross over. So see when this the blue line crosses the orange, that's a trigger to buy. When the orange crosses over the blue, that's a trigger to sell. The theory behind it is that prices are going to close nearer the high if they're increasing, and prices are going to close nearer the low if they're decreasing. So it's comparing the closing of a price to the price's average over a time period. And so let's just see what happens if we can watch this orange line crossover. The day that that happens, the price is about 320, 325, somewhere in there. That's a sell signal when that crosses over the blue line. Look what happens after that. Had we used that sell signal and then stayed in the trade until we got the buy signal, that happens here, 189, 187, somewhere in there. So a huge, over $1 move. That would have been a really, really nice situation to take profit in. Let's look at another one. When the blue line crosses the orange line here, that's a buy signal. So right here we would have been, somewhere around 94 cents and ridden that all the way to 122. So almost 33% profit there. And it's such an easy and powerful tool. The best thing is it's so fast. You can tweak your periods here, but it responds fairly fast because it's on the closing price. So that's why it's so popular. You can see currently we had a little bit of a sell signal, and now they've met again. So watch this very, very recently to see what it's going to do. Is it going to cross one way or the other? Is it going to be a buy or is it going to be a sell? You might think that the blue is going to cross and we would get a buy signal here very shortly, around 96, 97 cents. So really easy to understand. Moving averages are so powerful. They'll appear again and again in other indicators. And here we're using moving averages to identify convergence divergence, which is places to take opportunities when we're buying and selling. So make sure you understand this one. It appears again and again. There's probably 7 indicators that use the MACD in their calculations. We've talked about some and we'll talk about the others in future videos. Thank you so much.